Hello. Sometimes while delivering, customer support agents have to perform several tasks before the issue gets resolved. In this video, we'll show you how to create a to-do list inside a ticket and share tasks between several agents in the team. By default, the ability to manage tasks is disabled, so at first, you need to activate it. You can do it in Administration area, System. To add a task, go to the Request page and click Task at the comment section. Type the task content. Assign the task to a certain agent. Hit Submit button or press Ctrl+Enter on the keyboard. A task is private and visible only for support agents. The assigned agent will get the notification on the task. There are several options that can be performed with tasks. Complete the task when it's done. Reopen it if you decide that it's not fully implemented. Delete or edit a task. Reorder open tasks to put the most urgent at the top. For more information, please refer to our knowledge base. Thank you.